Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to delete WhatsApp account on our phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete WhatsApp account, first open up your WhatsApp app on your phone, and over here guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us just below the start messages. Tap on settings, and on this interface tap on account, and over here you can see the delete account option available for us just below the remove account. Tap on delete account, and over here you'll be required to enter your phone number of the account which you want to delete, and tap on delete account and choose a reason why do you want to delete the account, and after that tap on delete account. And after that you'll be on this interface where you can see after this date your account will be permanently deleted. Tap on the delete account and your account will be deleted after a verification code will be sent on your phone, and verify that code on your phone. After verifying that, your account will be deleted from over here. And there guys, this is how to delete WhatsApp account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.